If you are over 60 years old and you eat eggs even a few times a week, this video could quietly change your health over the next 10 years. Eggs are one of the most misunderstood foods in modern nutrition. Some people call them a superfood. Others still fear them. The truth is more subtle. Eggs are not dangerous, but the wrong habits around eggs can become dangerous after 60. Your body today is different from the body you had decades ago. Digestion slows down, blood vessels stiffen, inflammation becomes easier to trigger, recovery takes longer. Small habits that once caused no harm can now quietly affect your heart, joints, blood pressure, energy, and digestion. And the most dangerous part? You often don't feel it right away. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 common egg mistakes seniors make, why they matter more after 60, and how to fix them without giving eggs up. This is not fear-based advice. This is precision. Stay with me until mistake number 3 because it is the most common and the most overlooked. When you were younger, your body could handle stress better. High-salt meals, heavy breakfasts, late dinners, repetitive foods. After 60, your margin for error becomes smaller. Your arteries respond faster to sodium. Your liver processes fats more slowly. Your gut bacteria become more sensitive. Your muscles require higher quality protein to maintain strength. Eggs sit at the center of all these systems. They can support health or they can magnify weaknesses, depending on how they are eaten. That's why seniors often feel tired, bloated, stiff, or heavy after breakfast, without realizing eggs are involved. Now let's break this down step by step. Mistake number 1, removing the yolk. Many seniors eat egg whites only. They believe they are protecting their heart. In reality, they are removing the most valuable part of the egg. The yolk contains nutrients that become more important with age, not less. Choline supports memory, focus, and nerve signaling. Vitamin D supports bone strength and muscle stability. Vitamin B12 supports red blood cells and energy. After 60, deficiencies in these nutrients become common, not because food lacks them, but because people remove them. Egg whites alone digest quickly and spike hunger. They do not support hormones. They do not protect joints. Modern research clearly shows that cholesterol in eggs does not automatically raise blood cholesterol for most people. Inflammation, sugar, refined carbohydrates, and ultra-processed foods do far more damage. Whole eggs provide balanced nutrition designed by nature to work together. When you remove the yolk, you break that balance. Mistake number 2, eating eggs without fiber. Many seniors eat eggs alone at breakfast. 2 eggs, a piece of toast, nothing else. Protein is important, but protein without fiber becomes unstable after 60. Without fiber, blood sugar rises fast, energy crashes quickly, hunger returns early, digestion feels uncomfortable. Your gut bacteria also suffer. Fiber feeds beneficial bacteria that protect immunity, digestion, and even mood. Eggs do not contain fiber. That means eggs must be paired, not eaten alone. Vegetables slow digestion. Berries protect blood vessels. Greens reduce inflammation. Eggs plus fiber create stable energy, clear thinking, better digestion, lower cardiovascular strain. This one habit alone can transform how seniors feel after breakfast. Mistake number 3, too much salt and processed seasoning. This mistake happens quietly. A little salt on eggs doesn't feel dangerous, but eggs absorb salt easily. After 60, blood vessels react more strongly to sodium. Repeated daily exposure slowly raises blood pressure, even if numbers look borderline for years. Processed seasonings are worse. Bouillon powder, seasoned salt, instant flavor packets. They contain hidden sodium, chemical additives, and flavor enhancers. These strain kidneys and disrupt fluid balance. The heart works harder, arteries tighten, energy becomes unstable. Gentle seasoning changes everything. Herbs support circulation, lemon supports digestion, spices reduce inflammation. Once taste adapts, eggs no longer need a salty mask. Mistake number 4, combining eggs with processed meats. Eggs with bacon or sausage feel traditional, but tradition does not equal safety. Processed meats increase inflammation, raise blood pressure, stiffen arteries, stress digestion. When eaten with eggs, fats enter the bloodstream together. Older digestion struggles to manage this load. This leads to bloating, sluggishness, joint stiffness, and afternoon fatigue. Eggs are not the problem, the combination is. Replacing processed meats with avocado, vegetables, fish, or nuts creates balance instead of overload. Mistake number 5, eating eggs the same way every day. Routine feels comfortable, but the body thrives on variety. Eggs are excellent, but not meant to be the only protein source daily. Different proteins provide different amino acids, minerals, and fats. Without variety, muscles weaken, immunity declines, gut bacteria diversity shrinks. Rotating eggs with yogurt, fish, beans, or cheese keeps systems adaptable. Variety does not confuse the body, it strengthens it. Mistake number 6, ignoring freshness. Freshness matters more after 60. Stomach acid weakens with age. Older eggs digest poorly and increase risk of bacterial exposure. Fresh eggs digest smoothly, taste cleaner, reduce gut stress. The float test is simple and effective. This small habit protects digestion and immunity. Mistake number 7, cooking eggs at high heat. High heat damages egg nutrients. It oxidizes cholesterol. Oxidized cholesterol is far more harmful to arteries than dietary cholesterol. After 60, blood vessels are more sensitive to oxidative stress. High heat eggs lead to inflammation, fatigue, and digestive heaviness. Lower heat preserves nutrients and digestion. Soft scrambled, lightly cooked, gentle heat. This single change can reduce daily inflammation. Health after 60 is built quietly, not through extremes, not through fear, not through expensive supplements, but through precision. Eggs are not the enemy. Mistakes are. When you eat the whole egg, add fiber, reduce salt, avoid processed meats, rotate foods, choose fresh eggs, cook gently, eggs become one of the safest, most nourishing foods you can eat. If this video helped you, subscribe and let's age with strength, clarity, and confidence.